Thanks for checking out our channel. Stick around for a special message.
Hey folks, cupping therapy is an ancient form of alternative medicine in which a therapist puts special cups on your skin for a few minutes to create suction. People get it for many purposes, including to help with pain, inflammation, blood flow, relaxation and well-being, and as a type of deep tissue massage. Let's look at a few examples.
Because I know that I've been wanting to try cupping like forever. But as far as like release and stuff like that, like it felt really good after. The marks on my back are freaking gnarly though. Like they're really intense, and they said that they're gonna last 7 to 10 days.
Cupping is not without its detractors. Some people say it's pseudoscience that offers limited or no medical benefit. Do you think cupping is a valid medical technique, or is it best left off in the annals of history?
Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth.
Thanks for checking out our channel. Stick around for a special message. Bodybuilders take protein to build muscle, and people take vitamin C to help prevent colds. Your brain is the most complex structure in your body, but it is probably lacking specific nutrients it needs to perform at its best. Brain Gains gives you those essential nutrients and helps with memory and focus. It is an advanced multivitamin designed to support healthy cognitive ability. Check out the Amazon link below and try Brain Gains for yourself. It will boost your energy, clear out the fog, and help your memory.